Hello everyone, my name is Haoyue Luo. Today I report a latent profile analysis of emotional suppression and its relationship with self-disclosure in young and middle-aged patients with lung cancer. I will show you 4 parts in this study. The first part is background. The background have a second part. Lung cancer is the second largest cancer disease, and in China there is more new instance of lung cancer, and the death rate is comparatively so high. And middle-aged and young patients with lung cancer have the characters of indecidous onset and local metastasis, and the overall prognosis is poor. So we have 3 research intro parts. The first one is patient. Young and middle-aged patients with lung cancer tend to suppress their true feelings and restrain their expression to maintain the stability of family, and refers to the subjective control of emotional experience by individual after they have disease, which is a conscious self-restraint emotional regulation behavior. And the relationship between emotional separation and self-disclosure have 2 parts. It is necessary to further explore how different emotional separation categories in their group and were affected by demographic characters and social factors. The second part is method. We have choose the 3 great hospitals in Zhengzhou, Henan province. China were randomly selected. The standard is admitted from treat and knew their condition. The age range 90 and 49 years old, informed consent and voluntary participation in this research. And the general information we have include age, gender, income, education level, duration of diagnosis, and number of the complications. The skills we have used two skills. The first one is the emotional inhibition skills, and the second is the distress disclosure index. Data analysis, we have choose the SPAS 26 software were used for the statistical analysis, and M+8 software were used to carry out length analysis. The second results, we have demographic outcome and the scores of the skills. This is our study of latent profile determination, and we have studied 5 middle. We can see the second middle is the best one. This is the figure of the 3 middle. The one group is the restraint exploration group, have 40%, and the second group is the emotional tolerance, and the third mood is the active disclosure group. Between the study, we can find the relationship between latent profile of emotional separation and self-disclosure. The analyzed result shows that, compared with the reference group, both the emotional tolerance group and the exploration strength group could negatively predict the change of the self-disclosure level. we have two conclusions. One, young and mid-aged lung cancer patients inhabit varying degrees of emotional regulation. 2. The medical nursing can develop focused emotional regulation strategies and supportive patients' positive reaction to the illness based on difference in patients' emotional separation degrees. That's all. Thanks for your listen.